What up, GA here with you. This is literally the first step that we took onto what they call later their property. Check this out. We're trying to figure out where we lost Rogue at here. But you already got people making faces at us and stuff like that. Here's that deputy's vehicle I was showing you. Hillsborough County. Seems like a lady that's really here to keep us safe. Oh, who are they yelling at? Who? Who are you yelling?
You're on private property.
Sir, you're not welcome here. Please leave.
I'm not touching you, sir.
You just touched me.
I'm pointing to the parking lot, sir.
You just touched me.
Okay, you can.
Sir, we can debate this all day long, sir. I didn't touch you.
I want you to go get off the property, sir.
Identify yourself since you're making contact with me.
I'm Sergeant. I'm sorry. I'm Deputy Antonitis with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. Now, I'm working here in a security capacity, and I'm directing you to leave the property.
Videotaping is not permitted on this property.
It's a public safe.
Yes, it is.
It's public property. It's public property. It's public property.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Don't touch me.
Get off the property. Get off the property.
What's your name, sir?
Get off the property. I've already told you. Get off the property, sir.
Why are you
If you're going to videotape off the property. You can go in the parking lot.
Why are you escalating?
I'm not escalating. You are. You can videotape all you want. Yes, you are.
Your failure to refuse to listen. Your failure to refuse to listen.
Let's go.
I'm
Come on,
escalating.
no, he's already going.
Just because I made this turn, this guy thinks that I'm not obeying his absolute authority.
Come on.
Sir, identify yourself.
Walk on up there.
Identify your body.
Keep walking.
I'm walking. Keep walking. I'm walking. Keep walking.
Get off the
I'm
property.
walking.
All right.
Identify your buddy.
Good.
Now that we're here, let me explain it to you.
This is private property. This is not open to the general public unless you have business there, okay? You're more than welcome to come on there and videotape all you want as long as you get permission from the Port of Tampa. Even the news people don't come on here and videotape without permission from the Port of Tampa. So you're more than welcome to come on here as long as you go contact the Port of Tampa PIO, and they'll give you authorization to come in here. You can videotape all you want. Because of security reasons, you cannot come on this property and start videotaping.
It's like walking into the airport. You're not going to walk into the airport and start videotaping.
Security procedures.
Why don't you start articulating some facts as to why you think there's a crime being committed?
How about not a crime. It's a safety issue. We don't allow people to come on the
Cameras
port
are a
and
safety
videotape.
issue.
Videotaping is, yes. Videotaping is, yes.
You guys got cameras in there, I bet, don't you?
Yes, they do, but they're controlled.
Your cameras are okay.
I'm just asking if it's policies or law.
It's the Port Tampa Bay policy. It's their property. You're not on public property. It's Port Tampa Bay
Is the Port of Tampa funded by the city?
I don't know who it's funded by. All I know is you cannot come into the port and
being a tyrant,
videotape, all
that's all.
right? So you're more than welcome to get authorization from them. They will contact us and tell us you're okay, because they always regularly do, and I'll be more than glad to let you go on there and record all you want. From up here, this is aquarium parking lot. You can record all you want from up here. But over there, if you come on there and you record, I'm going to have to ask you to leave. And if you refuse, I'm going to have no choice but to tell you you're trespassing. And then if you refuse to leave, I have no choice but to arrest you for trespass afterwards, okay? I understand. I appreciate, your cooperation. All right, gentlemen?
Good night.
Two more things, sir. What's your ID number?
2129.
And can you identify your friend?
That is Billy Passmore 222.
Thank you.
Sir, can I request a supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
There's no lieutenant?
Sergeant. There's somebody.
I am the supervisor, okay? And the other gentleman that asked you to leave is the port terminal manager.
Okay.
Okay? So if you want to come on here and videotape, like I said, it's simple. You pick up the phone and you call the Port Tampa Bay.
What if they
Ask your permission.
and they refuse the First Amendment right for us to be able to do a story on them?
Or what if,
Sir, it's like me coming into your house and you refuse to let me into your house. I don't have the right to barge in.
I understand that, but that's if it's not publicly owned. This is
They do sometimes.
Okay, well then, you're gonna have to, they have a legal department, you can talk to their lawyers and argue it out with them, sir. I'm not a lawyer, okay? Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate your cooperation.
So they were very, very aggressive trying to tell us to leave. He touched me, then he told me he didn't touch me. Then he escalated and told me that I was escalating. You guys can be the judge as to who was being calm and who wasn't. I understand he feels like he has a job to do, but he was doing the most. Definitely doing the most. They did identify, but I'm glad that I had Rogue Nation, eyes on the state here to look out for me, because ain't no telling what could happen.